Good morning, children. This is Shubal sir speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the exercise 2.6 and we are over with up to question number 4. So, here in this video, we will discuss about some important questions and very easy questions of this exercise. Question number 5 from exercise 2.6. Exercise 2.6. Question number 5 is about number 1. 2.5 into 0.3. Children, there are more than 4 or 5 processes to solve this question. I'm gonna teach you the easiest one, the easiest process to get multiplication of decimal values. What to do? Just remove the point. You are supposed to get 10. 1 for the point, and after the point there is only single digit, so I'll get a single 0. Again, removing the point to get 1, and after the point there was only one digit, so I'm supposed to get 1 0. Now children, don't cancel this 25 with 10, don't do anything. Just simply multiply 3 with 25. Now it's no more 2.5 because I have already removed this point, and these 0 do not have any value. So it is 3 into 25. So as we all know, numerator and numerator gets multiplied and denominator gets multiplied. So 3 into 25 results 75 by 10 tens are 100. Children, now we know that how to place the point on a number. As there are two digits, it's only applicable for 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh for such cases of numbers. As there are only two digits, two zeros, so point will be appeared on numerator just 2 digits from right hand side. I repeat, the number of zeros are 2, so point will be appeared on numerator just from right hand side 2 digits before. Answer is 0.75. So it's 1 and it's 2. So 2 zeros, 1 and 2. Point will come over here. Answer is 0.75. I believe it's clear to everyone. Let us try with next number 2. Number 2, don't look at the size of the question because it's really very simple. Question number 2 is about 0.1 into 51.7. Let us see how to calculate this number, children. Remove this point, you will get 10. Remove this point, you will get 10. Now, it's 1 and it's 517. 1 into 517 is 517 only, divided by 10 into 10 results 100. So children, as we all can see, there are two zeros, matlab point will come before two digits from right hand side in the place of numerator. As there are two zeros, so point will come just before 1, means 5.17 is the answer. That's it. Children, question number 3, 4, 5, 6 all are similar, all are just similar to solve. Let me show you some little a bit different question number 9, which is slightly different from other question. Although the similar process to be used, process will remain same, but the size of the question is a bit bigger. Question number 9 is about 101.01 into 0.01. Okay children, remove this point, you are supposed to get 100. Because of point you are getting 1, and after the point there are two digits, matlab two zeros. Remove this point, you are supposed to get 1. After the point there are two digits, matlab two zeros. So 1 will be multiplied with the whole number. So of course it will be 10101 only, divided by 100 into 100 results 10000. Okay. So now children, as there are how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros in the denominator, so point will come before 4 digits from right hand side in numerator. So it will be, answer will be 1.0101. That is only our answer. I believe it's clear to everybody. Now let's talk about the next exercise, children. Next exercise is really very simple. This is about division. Exercise 2.7. Exercise 2.7, question number 1. Children, division is 0.4 divided by 2. You might be thinking, sir, how to solve it? Decimals with divisions, so tough. Not at all. Just write 0.4 divided by 2. Okay. Remove this point, get 1, and after the point there are 1 digit, so 1 0. Children, my suggestion is not to touch this 10. Don't cancel this 4 with 10. Don't do that. Just let this 10 be as it is. Cancel 2 with 4. 2 2s are 4. You will get 2 by 10. I know you can cancel 2 and 10, but don't do that. Simply write 0.2. As there are 1 0, point will come before 1 digit in the place of numerator from right hand side. Just before 1 digit. Answer is 0.2. This is how you can solve all the questions of question number 1. Till in the next video, we will discuss about question number 2. If there are doubts or confusions, please let me know. Feel free to speak to me. And please try out the same in your copy. Till then, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.